Hey everyone, it's Luke Durden, and today, while I take you through this visual journey of this oil painting I did of a rhino on wood panel, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about developing your style and maybe give you a little bit of a different perspective on how to look at it. You see so many of us when it comes to developing our style or finding our style, we look at these finished pieces. We can look to old masters like Van Gogh or Picasso, or somebody who you deem is successful, or somebody who you want to aspire to be one day. And we look at these finished paintings that they have, and we want to find our own, want to have our own. And I think another way to look at it is that instead of looking at the finished image, to look more at your process. Look more at how you do something, how you prime your canvas, or how you mix your paint. What does your color palette look like? How do you do your brush strokes? I think that us as artists, having a different perspective of our style in how we do things, how we create things, is what our style really is. And I think how we encompass all these different elements of our process creates this final result, which is our style. And while the finished result is really important to your portfolio or to gallery owners or potential clients, when it comes to your self-development, I know being willing to fail and to experiment in your processes is what's really going to make your style come to life. So I encourage you, when you look at your work, look more inward and look at how you do things, how you prepare that palette, and little ways that you can make it your own, or little ways that it is your own right now, and to embrace that and maybe accentuate it so that your voice will come forward in your work. And lastly, not to rush it. Alan Watts, a modern philosopher, had an analogy for life as a dance. You see, the goal of dancing is not to finish the dance, but rather to enjoy the fact that you are dancing. Because if the goal was to finish the dance, the best dances would be the ones that were simply the quickest. And I think that's the same thing when it comes to finding your style. It's not about having your style and recreating it. It's about finding it. And I think even these artists that we look up to that have a quote-unquote style, they're still looking for ways to improve it, enhance it, make it better, make it more interesting, make it more them. So in essence, they have never stopped dancing. So I hope maybe this gave you a little bit of a different perspective in helping you find your style, and maybe to calm your mind in that it's okay that you don't have one. If this video helped you out at all, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Feel free to like the video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks, and I hope you all enjoyed.